Welcome back to Speargrass Forge. If you're new here, thanks for coming. If you're coming back, thanks for returning. Today, I'm going to be taking part in the Forge Cast Challenge and making a small stake anvil and then forging something on it. Stick around.
Singing true rely, you rely at it. Singing true rely, you rely at it. Singing true rely, you rely at it. For we're bound for Botany Bay.
So, before we begin today, I got some mail. So I'm going to do a quick opening up. I know what it is, but you guys will get to see. So I'm going to quickly open this up because I've been waiting for these for ages, and it's finally arrived. So, whoa! You guys see what's in there? Stickers! So, I finally have some stickers, guys. So, if you'd like one, let me know. You might have to pay for postage, but I've got stickers. So I'd like to give a big shout out to Dana Maggiore, who's the one who made these stickers for me. I got a couple of Dana stickers as well, so they're going up on the that's going up on the wall of fame, or the wall of shame, whichever way you want to put it. I got a heap of them. Yes! Oh wow! I've also got a couple of magnets. Oh, that's fantastic! Thank you very much. That is sweet as. Well, one's going up on the metal in the forge, and the other one's going to the it's going straight to the pool room. No, it's going on the fridge in the house. Definitely. Sweet. Awesome. So yeah, a magnet. That is freaking awesome. So let's get to sticking these on the wall of fame, eh? I've got to stick one of my own on there. So I reckon that can go right there. Oh, that's cool. That is really cool. And I'm going to put Dana right up there next to Roy, and just underneath me now. Of course, this isn't exactly level, so it's a little bit kinked, but my collection has now started. Let's bring it up and have a look. Awesome. So this is what I have for what I'm going to make a stake anvil out of. It's a end piece of a truck axle, and it's about 65 millimeters square, and the bottom's a bit rough. I had to cut it off. The other side's much smoother, but this is the side I'm going to be welding a stake to. Now I'm just fabricating this stake anvil because the Forge Cast Challenge said I don't have to forge one out, thankfully. So I'm going to be turning this, welding a short stake on this so I can hammer it into a stump, and then I'm going to attempt to forge something on this piece of stock. So stick around, and this will probably be this part will just be me welding, and then we'll get to actually using it. So I'll see you all shortly. Right, so what I'm doing here is going to be just making a bit of a taper. Drawing out a point so I can turn this into the spike. Right, so that's got a nice point on it now. So I'm just going to cut this off with a cutting disc. It's got a nice flat surface so I can weld it to the actual anvil piece for the stump anvil. That's not too bad. Quick welding job. It's a bit hot though. Now that it's welded, I'm going to just quickly crunch that off, whip it around, clean up the top, and then we can get into forging with it. I'll be back in a moment. Now really, if I really wanted to, I could probably leave it in this post vise and forge on it like this, but I'm not going to. I'm going to get the grinder, clean it off a bit, polish up this top a touch, because I mean it's smooth and it's got to put some chamfers on it already, but I want to make sure it's nice and a bit more usable, and then we'll get into forging something on it. So, it seems to be done. Leave that cool down a bit. But, it's got about no grit finish on the face. That's all I need. So, back shortly. I don't think that's going anywhere anytime soon. Let's get the forging on this. Now, what I'm actually going to be using is this little hammer. There's another challenge out there about using stuff that's not regularly used in the forge, or found things in order to forge something. This is only a very light hammer. It is only 1 pound, or about 500 grams. So I'm going to use this and this to forge on. Now, of course, it is a bit low. It's not up to my normal anvil height, but that's okay. I can forge kneeling down, or I can just bend over, and that's what I'm going to do here. I'm just going to bend over. So let's get a piece of metal hot and make something. Yeah. Some ugly hammer strikes there. Some ugly hammer strikes. Now mind you, this isn't exactly shaped for forging, it's a tack hammer, but just goes to show that what you can use and what you can do with what you've got at hand. Yep. My hammer control with this is atrocious. Left a couple of dings in the anvil already. And look, I melted it off. Bugger. So look, I found it, so see if I can work this. I might stick this back in and see if I can continue working it. Now just a little bit of file cleanup. And there we go, we've got my stake anvil, just a nice little fabricated one. It's actually relatively heavy. It's only 3 kilos, but it's surprisingly effective. And a little arrowhead pendant forged to finished. I've got a little bit of filing just to clean up the edges. I'll have to put a little bit of an edge on it, made it nice and pointy. So probably better off with a key ring. But there we go. Forge cast challenge complete. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I urge you to go check out the Forgecast podcast if you're not already listening. I'll leave a link down in the description. Don't forget to share to your favourite social media. Check out my previous videos by clicking here or here. And I'll catch you all next time. Cheers.